Okay, first Paricheda of the Kavya Darsa include the nature of the poetry, definition, what is the real definition of Kavya, and also Dandin explains importance of Shabda and Artha and combinations, what is the combination of Shabda and Artha, sound and meaning, and also introduce gunas, qualities. This is the another overview of the 3 chapters of the Kavya Darsa. The first Parichya, the first chapter defines Kavya, and also he divides poetry into Gadya, Padya, Misra. Gadya means prose, Padya means verse, and Misra is the mix with prose and verses. Like script, you know, the script of drama, Sanskrit dramas. In the script of the Sanskrit drama included prose and verses. Therefore, we can consider they are as a mix. And he discusses 2 types of prose. No strict difference between them. 2 types of prose means Katha and Akyayika. Those are the 2 types of the prose, and also classifies literature like Sanskrit, Prakrit, mixed, and explains some figures of sound, Anuprasa, and Pratibha, Shruti, and Abhyasa. It is the skills or abilities of the creations of the poetry. Pratibha, Abhyasa, Shruti. In the second Paricheda, he includes figures of speech. Actually, he listed 35 alankara, like Upama, Rupaka, Deepaka, Yamaka, Atisayokti, etc. In the third chapter, he included the detailed study of some figures of speech, like Yamaka. Yamaka is the sound figures, Shabda Alankara. We can see the definition of the Yamaka in the first chapter, but in the third chapter, he included detailed description about Yamaka.
Dear Pandey, the
Yeah.
Yamaka is the 7 Abhidhamma Yamaka. The Abhidhamma, one Abhidhamma named Yamaka. Is that one?
Yeah.
No, it's the same word but different things.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not the same. It's not. It's just a word. Okay, Yamaka means
repetition.
Repetition. The meaning is repetition.
Okay. I misunderstand. Okay.
The meaning of Yamagan.
No. Venerable Yanzhen, he's asking, is this Yamaga the same of as Abhidhamma Yamaga? Not
no. This is the figures of one kind of figure of speech, alankara. It is the repetition of the words.
Yeah. And then they have another question here. The classifies literatures into Sanskrit, Prakti, mixed. So, which means that in the ancient India, the literatures will be written in different languages. Sanskrit and Prakti and mixed. What is the meaning mixed?
Mix means some we can find some literature kind of books mixed with Sanskrit and Prakrit. Especially that books study in the Department of Pali and Department of Sanskrit also, because they are mixed with Pali and Sanskrit. For example, you know, have you ever heard the Divyavadana? It is the famous book mixed with Sanskrit and Prakrit. Divyavadana, Lankavatara Sutra, like that. There are so many books. They actually they are written by some scholars who has not completely knowledge about the Sanskrit. they have they have some skills about Sanskrit and Prakrit. Therefore, they write that books mixed with Sanskrit and Prakrit. Sometimes they include the verses in pure Sanskrit, and the passages are mixed with Sanskrit and Prakrit.
And also we from some drama we read, we have learned we read the text of the drama. Some part is Sanskrit, and for women and for the lower level people, they are using the Prakrit. So this kind of literature also called mixed. Is it called mixed?
It is actually we call mix with verses and process. Therefore, we can call it mix. You can see here the Gadya, Padya, and Misra. At that sense, we called it mix, because mix with prose and verse. Here we call mix with Sanskrit and Prakrit languages. Therefore, we call it mix. Name.
Okay.
Actually, we call it hybrid Sanskrit. It is the real name of that. The literature of hybrid Sanskrit.
Okay. Understand. Thank you.
Yeah, in the third chapter explains the Chitra Kavya. Chitra Kavya means they explains some patterns of the poetry, like creations of some verses, like lotus flower. We can include the letters like lotus flower and like a sword and like that. I don't know whether you can understand it. We can create some verses putting some letters like a lotus flower. It is the Chitra Kavya. We called it Chitra Kavya. To get meaning of that verse, we have to put the letters like a lotus flower or like a sword.
How?
Which means that it has some kind of patterns.
Yeah, patterns. Yeah. The lotus flower, Padma, we called it a Padma Bandha. Padma means the lotus flower. And like a sword, we call it Khadga Bandha. Khadga means the sword. It is very difficult to understand and very difficult to find out the meaning of that verses. And also 6 types of Prahelika. Prahelika also a little bit similar of the Chitrakavya. And 10 types of dosas, faults. This is the outline of the Kavya Darshan. I thought it is better to start from the second chapter of the verses, because in the second chapter, Dandin includes all of the 35 figures of speech. Therefore, these are the 35 alankaras: Sobhavokti, Upama, Rupaka, Deepaka, Yamaka, Anuprasa, Arthantaranyasa. This is Vyatireka. This letter is V. Vyatireka, Vibhavana, Samashokti. Actually, we cannot give directly one meaning for those figures of speech, because we have to understand through the example verse given by Dandin. Therefore, these are the English meanings, but we cannot really understand what is the meaning of that alankaras looking at the English word. Someone we can understand repetition, simile, metaphor, but Vyatireka, contrast, we cannot understand reading these words. Therefore, we have to go for the meaning of the verses. Vibhavana, imagination, Samasokti, condensed expressions. Atishayokti, Utpreksha, Hetu, Sandeha, Apahnuti, Tullayogita, Virodha, Slesha. Here 20 parts of the figures of speech. So, okay. Now we can go to the text of the Kavya. This is the second chapter, beginning of the second chapter. In the second chapter, the first verse. Okay, first can someone read the first verse? I include both of the letters, Sanskrit and English text.
I can have a try.
Okay, you can try.
Gavya Shilpa Garam Tardman along the Garam Brajachate De Jat Yabi Vigalabhyande Gastan Gardsnaye 也呢 Vachyati.
Yeah, good.
Thank you. It's difficult.
Yeah. කාව්‍ය ශෝභා කරාන් ධර්මාන් අලංකාරාන් ප්‍රචක්ෂතේ තේ චාද්‍යාපි විකල්ප්‍යන්තේ කස්තාන් කාර්ත්ස්නේන වක්ෂති. That is the first verse of the second chapter in Kavya Darsa. Now we can go to the separation of the combined words of this verse. That is easy to understand the meaning of the verse. Therefore, there are some combined words here. Kavya Shobha Karan, it is also no problem. Dharman, Alankaran, Prachakshati. Te Chadyapi, we can write Techa Adya Api. We can separate like that. Techa Adya Api. Vikalpyante. Kastan. Kastan, we can separate Kahtan. Kartsnena Vakshyati. Yeah. We can separate the words like that. There are some combinations of the words. Now we can look at the meaning of those words separately. What is the meaning of the Kavya Shobha Karan?
It's a poem. Shobha is
Shobha,
beautiful. Beauty.
Shobha means, yeah, beauty, beautiful, beauty.
Beauty.
Beauty of the poetry.
Poetry, yeah.
Kavya Shobha Karan. Dharman means the qualities, properties, qualities, dharma, qualities. Alankaran, figures of speech. Yeah. Prachakshate
is to express.
Yeah, express, called, say, called Prachakshate. Te means the they.
Them.
Yeah. They. Cha.
And.
Adya. Adya api.
Today. Until today. Even today.
Yeah, even today. Adya api. Even today. Vikalpyante.
Has been recognized or has been differentiated.
Yeah, recognized, differently classified. Yeah,
classified.
Various classified various ways. And whom, yeah, whom,
Tam.
It's a plural of the.
Tam means them. Yeah. Kartsnena. Completely.
Yeah.
Completely. Vakshati. Say.
Said will be said.
Yeah.
Said.
Yeah. You can see here meaning of those words. All of those words. Yeah, Dandin try to first verse of the beginning of the second chapter. He start to explains the figures of speech, but before to start to explain those kinds of figures of speech, he explains there are so many definitions, so many parts or categories of the figures of speech. He explains what is the meaning of the alankara. He say something produces beauty in poetry. That is the alankara. Qualities of the produce some beauty in poetry is the alankara or ornaments. They are even today differently classified. It means even today, until now, in present also, he explains his time until present. These these are the classified or different in various ways. Some rhetoricians explains in different ways. He gives some interpretations of the some categories of the alankar, figures of speech. Therefore, he say he cannot describe completely, fully of the figures of speech. He cannot completely explain the full definitions or full explanation of the figures of speech, because until now, up to now, the rhetoricians explains in different ways about the figures of speech. That is the reason why in later rhetoricians increase the number of figures of speech. Actually, in the Dandin's time, there are 35, not more than 40 of the number of figures of speech, but after that, the later rhetoricians explains in various way or different ways of the figures of speech and increase the number of figures of speech like 70, 75, or in recently Alankara Sarvasva. It is the famous Alankara book. At that book explains more than 120 parts of the figures of speech. Increase step by step, increase the number of figures of speech. I think you got the idea of Dandin.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is the next one? Mrs. Chin.
Me?
I will try. Okay, I will try.
Okay.
Kintu bijang vikar parang purva jarayi jarayahi pratarsitam tateva pratisams asmat parislamah.
That is good. Kintu
Okay.
बीजं विकल्पानां पूर्वाचार्यैः प्रदर्शितं तद् एव प्रतिसंस्कर्तुम् अयम् अस्मत् परिश्रमः. There is not combination words here. All of words are separated. Kim tu bijam vikalpanam पूर्वाचार्यैः प्रदर्शितं तद् एव प्रतिसंस्कर्तुम् अयम् अस्मत् परिश्रमः. Okay. Yeah, what is the meaning of Kim tu?
What indeed?
Oh, but however, nevertheless, Kim tu. Bijam,
A seed.
Seed.
yeah, seed,
Seed.
seed or sources, seed. Vikalpana,
Classification.
yeah, classifications, variations.
Varies.
Yeah, Purvacharya,
Former action. Conduct.
yeah, former teachers.
Earlier, former teachers. Yeah, Jarya.
Yeah, former or earlier teachers. Pradarshitam,
Has been expounded,
has been expounded and has been
reviewed.
Pointed out. Pradarshitam. Tad eva.
Very.
That is. That
Very.
indeed.
Yeah, that indeed.
Very.
Yeah, eva means exactly. Exactly. Pratisanskartum.
Again, the Sanskartum.
Yeah,
Fine.
revise. You know what is the meaning of revise? Revise. Revise or reorganize. Pratisanskartum. I am
This.
Yeah, this.
This.
Asmat parishrama. Asmat means our.
Our.
Parishrama.
Examining.
Effort. Yeah. Parishrama. Effort. Yeah. The complete meaning of this verse is in the first verse, Dandin explained he cannot give the complete or fully explanation of the description of the figures of speech, but in the second verse he he explains, but however he can find some source or some seeds of the variations of the different interpretations of that figures of speech provided by the earlier teachers, previous teachers, predecessors, and Pradarshiltam has been shown or presented. That exactly those explanations, those definitions, he is going to revise, reorganize. that is his effort.
Whenever disappear for a while.
Yeah. There was a power.
A power cut?
Yeah, power cut.
Power cut. Okay, it's a normalcy in Sri Lanka. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Dandin explains this is his effort to provide of the revise of the previous definitions of the figures of speech. Can you imagine what he intend? He is going to revise, reorganize of the previous scholars, ideas of the previous scholars, previous teachers.
Yeah, I think yes, like he tried to in his this he tried to, as in the first and the second, third chapter, and he tried to give the definition of the Gavya and also introduce the gunas of the qualities, yeah, and the importance of the Shabda and Artha. I think he tried to summarize or summarize the definition of the Gavya and how to build a Gavya, then he analyzed the gunas of the Gavya. Then he tried to, in this way, he reorganize.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm right. Yeah.
Is there any idea by others? Yeah.
I thought it's not. It's about Alankara.
Yeah. Dandin mentions he is going to revise, reorganize of the definitions of the
Former
earlier.
teacher.
Yeah. What is he intent?
Maybe he intention what let us to understand.
Yeah. Actually, I think he intend to give us, there are so many previous scholars who explained the figures of speech, no? Previously. For example, Bhamaha, he is not going to give some exact names, but I think he intend to give us, there are so many scholars describe the figures of speech before Dandin, no? That is why he mentioned earlier teachers. No?
Yes.
And I think he thought the earlier teachers did some mistakes or some mix with some ideas. Therefore, he said he is going to revise. No? He is going to reorganize those ideas. No? Actually, if we go to read deeply, sometimes he include his own ideas. There are some confuse of some ideas, and at that time he is going to give his own idea. This is the previous idea, and my idea is like that. In this way, I think he is going to revise, reorganize of the figures of speech. That is, I think, that is the hidden idea of the Dandi, no?
Okay.
Yeah. Now 3:21. After 15 minutes break,
Okay.
you can join. Okay.
Okay. 小琴休息15分钟。
好的。
Okay, shall we continue?
Yes, thank you.
Next one, 2.3.
Okay, I read.
Okay.
Kasim maga vibagarta muktaha praga pya langkriyah sada rang nama langkara jatta mayat pradashyate.
Okay, thank you. Good. Kaschin marga vibhagartha muktaha pragapyalamkriyaha sadharanam alankara jatamanyat pradarsyate. In this verse, there are so many combined,
Samasa.
samasas, combined words. So we can separate.
Kasim maga
Yeah.
kasit
Kaschin.
kasin
Kashchit,
Kaschit.
Kashchit, Marga,
maga
Marga,
maga
Vibhava,
Vibhaga artha.
Vibhaga, Artha, Mukta,
Artha.
Artha Muktaha.
Artham muktaha.
Oh, Mukta,
Ukta.
Yeah.
Say.
Muktaha.
Artham muktaha. Pragapyalamkriya.
Praga,
Yeah.
Pragapi, Alanka,
Prag-api.
Api, Pragapi,
Alankar.
Pragapi, Ariyaha,
Alankriya.
Riyaha, Alankriyaha,
Api alankriya. Sadharanam.
Satardanam,
Yeah.
Alankara.
Jatmanyante,
Jatam anyat.
Anyat,
Yeah. Pradarsyate.
Prashyate.
Yeah. That is the separation of the combination words. So samasa, sandhi, samasa, both of those words separated. What is the meaning of the kaschit?
It means some.
Yeah,
Any,
Any for someone. Someone or any.
or something. Marga.
Marga is the part, not the part.
Yeah. Actually, I also previously said Dandi use the word marga for the riti style.
Riti.
Yeah, that is
Ready.
that is the example of that word marga. He always every places he include this word for the word riti style.
Ready.
Yeah, marga. Marga vibhaga.
Vibhaga.
Yeah, vibhaga means the
Classification, division.
Yeah, presentation, describe. Artham.
Artham, the meaning.
Meaning. Uktaha.
Has said.
Sin. Prag-api.
Prag
means previous.
Before, early.
Yeah, early.
Period.
Previously. Api.
Also.
Even.
Also even. Alankriyaha.
It means alankara.
Yeah, figures of speech. Sadharanam.
And the
Words.
Satarnam is
Words.
I mean the words.
general universe.
Yeah,
Universe. That's That's my
universal.
topic. That's the topic of my mission. The target.
Sadharani. Yeah.
Is it the universal or that is the words from
Universalized, universally, universal.
Yeah.
Universal.
This means sadharana means the common.
Common. Yeah.
Sadhana.
Yeah. Alankara jatam.
Items.
Yeah. The class of
The class.
yeah,
The
class,
category.
yeah, category of the
Figures
figures
and
of
speech.
yeah,
Speech.
Yeah. Anyat,
Another.
Yeah.
another
Another.
different. Yeah. Pradarsyate,
With present.
Will be shown.
yeah, being shown and actually, yeah, this is the meaning of word by word. Yeah, here after he explained, he is going to rearrange the definitions of the figures of speech, and in this verse he explains some figures of speech he has already been explained previously. He has previously been explained, described. Here he is going to give some general class or general group of alankaras different from previously explained figures of speech. Here he is going to continue his explanation. The first chapter, he already explained some kinds of figures of speech. Can you say some examples?
Yeah. Example of what? Sorry.
In the Dandin explains, he already explained some figures of speech. Now he is going to continue. Can you give some example for the previous explanation of his figures of speech? In the first,
Obama.
yeah,
Obama.
no, Dandin in the first chapter, he already
Yes,
explained some
yes, he said the figure of speech is the beauty of the poet. Okay.
Yeah,
And
beauty.
then others say it's not. But
The three
2.1,
3
2.2,
points.
2.2.
3
Yeah,
poetries.
Yeah, 3 poetries.
Padya,
Yeah,
Mishra.
Yeah, Gadya, Padya, Mishra, and
Classification of figure.
yeah, he explained especially poetic excellences in the first
Yes.
chapter.
Mm.
He explained Marga Vibhaga Artham. He especially mentions separation of the margas. Can you remember how many styles explained Dandin? Two.
How many styles?
Yeah,
two.
Two
Types of prose.
Yeah, 2 types. One is Vaidarbi. Another one is Gaudi.
Gaudi. Yeah.
Gaudi. It is the separation of the two styles. He explains Marga means the styles, Vibhaga means the separation or classifying. In the first chapter, Dandin explains what are the special characteristic features of the margas or styles. What are the special qualities of the Vaidarbhi style? What is the special qualities of the Gaudi styles? He already explained in the first chapter all of those information, so all of those ideas. And also he explained some Shabda Alankaras also, Anuprasa and Yamaka in the first chapter.
So two Artha Alankara and Sabda Alankara, right?
Yeah, Dandin, in the first chapter, Dandin explained Shabda Alankara. In here, he is going to explain Artha Alankara.
Artha Alankara.
Yeah. Two types of the Shabda Alankaras, Yamaka and Anuprasa. These two types of the Shabda Alankara, he explained in the first chapter. That is why he mentions in the third verse of this beginning of this second chapter, he mentions, I have already explained some figures of speech previously. Now he is going to present some group of Alankara in commonly or generally, sadharana. Okay, that is the idea of the 2.3 verse. Yeah, we can move to the 2.4. Who can read the 2.4?
Lina, you want to try, or I can try.
Yes. I will try first because I have to go to the hospital afterward. So
Okay.
I only will be able to listen. Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Swabhava Vayana Mupama Swabhava Vayana Mupama Rupakang Deepaka Ruptiha Akshepor Tantaranyaso Vyatirekaha Vibhavana.
Yeah, okay. That's also good effort. Swabhavakhyanamupama Rupakam Deepakavrutti Aksheporthantaranyaso Vetirekaha Vibhavana. In this verse also, yeah, combinations. Yeah. Swabhava. Yeah, Swabhava. Swabhava. Akyana.
Upama.
Yeah, Akyanam Upama.
Description of nature.
Rupakam.
Deepaka Vrutti.
Avrutti. This can be separated as
It's a
Akshepa.
Akepa. Asepa.
Akshepaha.
Yeah.
Akshepaha.
Akshepa. Artham.
Artham Tarnyasaha. Artham Tarnyasaha.
Yeah. Vyatirekaha.
Vyatirikaha.
Yeah. Vibhavana.
Vibhavana.
Yeah, here, since from this verse, Dandin is going to give a list of the figures of speech. I think he get 3 or 4 verses to give the list of the parts of the figures of speech. He named the first one is
Swabhava.
Swabhavakyanam is the first,
Vakyan.
first one, first category. And second one, Upama.
Similar.
Yeah, similar. Third one,
Similar.
Rupaka.
Rupakam.
Yeah, Rupaka.
Metaphor. Metaphor.
Yeah, metaphor.
Metaphor.
Deepaka.
Deepaka.
Yeah.
Vritihi.
Yeah. And next
Vritti.
one,
Avritti.
Avritti.
Avritti. Avritti.
Akshepaha.
Yeah, Avritti. Next one, Akshepa.
Akshepaha.
Yeah, Akshepa. Next one, Arthan Taranyasaha. And next one, Vetirekan. Vetirek. And last one, Vibhavanam.
Vibhavanam. Extraordinary manifestation.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the meaning of
Description of natural state.
Swabhavakyanam means the description of natural state. Naturally, description of something about natural. Upama, simile, Rupaka, metaphor, Deepaka, illuminator. Actually, we cannot really understand what is the illuminator or illumination. We have to read the explaining verse. Avrutti, repetition, akshepa, objection, arthantaranyasa, statement of another meaning, vetireka, contrast, vibhavana, imaginative supposition. In the 2.5 verse, Dandin continue that list. He explains the next one. Who is going to read?
Okay, I can have a try.
Okay.
Samasadi shayu dibre cha hey duhu suchimo lavaha gramaha breyo sar rasavadur jasvi Barya Yugdam Samahitam.
Yeah, Samasati Shayot Preksha Hetu Suksmo Lava Krama Prayo Rasavadur Jasvi Parya Yoktam Samahitam. We can separate these verse also.
Samasa.
Sama, yeah, sama, Sa Atisaya. Atisaya.
Atisaya.
Yeah,
Atisaya.
Utpreksha.
Uprekha.
Yeah.
Uprekha.
Utpreksha.
Precha.
Hetu.
Hetuhu.
Suksma.
Suchmaha.
Hetuhu.
Suchmaha.
Suksmaha. Suksmaha.
Lavaha. Lavaha.
Krama.
Krama.
Kramaha.
Preyaha.
Preyaha.
Preyo.
Rasavat. Rasavat. Urjasvi.
Yeah.
Rasavat.
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 Urjasvi.
Urjasvi.
Paryayoktam.
Paryayoktam.
Paryayuktam.
Samahitam.
Paryayoktam is the
Parya.
yeah.
Intellectual expression.
And last one is Samahitam.
Samahitam.
Yeah.
Mahitam.
Yeah. Yeah, the 10th figure of speech is Samasa. Samasa means
Combination.
concise expression, compressed time. Atisaya is the exaggeration.
Superiority.
Yeah. Utpreksha, poetic imagination.
Imagine. Assumption.
Hetu,
Reasoning.
reason, cause. Suksma,
Subtle. Finger.
delicate.
Subtlety.
Lava,
Partial
Fragment.
description.
Small part. A small part.
yeah,
Fragment.
slight-
Partial description.
Actually, we cannot give a one word to get exact meaning. That is why we do 2, 3 or 2. Krama, sequence.
Sequence.
Order,
Progression.
progress. 10
Progression.
to, 10 to 6 parts included in 2.5. Okay. Prayer. 17, prayer.
Confession.
Yeah, pleasing.
Pleasing.
Rasavat, that is the special word. Dandin include not only Dandin, all of other Alankarikas, rasa sentiment include as a figure of speech. Dandin include is the 18th category as the Rasavat Alankara. Full of rasa. They considered rasa as the Alankara, another figure of speech. 19th Urjasvi.
Energetic.
Energetic.
Forceful. Paryayoktam.
Paryayoktam.
Indirect expression.
Samahitam.
Well composed. Collected.
Integrated.
Integrated. Okay. 2.6.
Sao Xiang.
I will do.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, you try.
Ta ta pa utta ta pa 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 hu
Noti.
ta pa pa nu nu Vislesha Visesha Stulia Yogita Vitlotha Prastuta Stotre Vyajastu Tinitasane. Thank you.
Yeah, that sound is good.
She sang.
උදාත්තාපනුතිහි ශ්ලේෂ විශේෂාස්තුල්‍ය යෝගිතා විරෝධා ප්‍රස්තුතස්තෝත්‍රේ ව්‍යාජස්තුති නිදර්ශනේ. Yeah, we can separate. The first one is udatta. Udatta apahnuti slesha visesha visesa visesa tulya yogita virodha aprastuta stotre vyajastuti nidarshani.
Nidarshane.
Yeah. The first one is udatta apahnuti slesha.
Noble.
Yeah.
Noble. Elevated.
Yeah. Udatta elevated, noble, grand. Apahnuti.
Denial.
Yeah,
Concealment.
Yeah, concealment. Slesha.
Double.
Yeah, double
meaning.
Yeah, double meanings. One word has two meanings. Slesha. Vishesha.
Distinction.
Particular kinds.
Particularity.
Tulya yogita.
Equal conjunction.
Yeah, equal connections. Virodha.
Contradiction.
Virodha. Aprastuta stotra.
Indirect praise.
Yeah, indirect praise. Praising not direct, indirectly. Vyajastuti.
Praise, discuss.
Disguise.
Also indirect praise.
Yeah. Praise indirectly, disguise. Nidarshani.
Example.
Illustration.
Illustration. Okay. 2.7.
Okay. Sasogatihi parividyasihi sankaranamattha bhavikam iti vajam amalankara tarasitaha Purvasuripihi.
Good. Do you know how to use the diacritical marks?
What?
You mean that with the dot, with the lantern?
Diacritical
mark. Yes. Yes. What you mean how to use? They mean how to type or how to use?
Yeah. I don't know others.
No, we don't know We have no idea.
Yeah. I can give example. Yeah, there is a straight a letter. We have to pronounce R, not R. It is little bit long pronunciation. R.
Ah.
Yeah, R.
Ah.
This is pr.
Bird.
This is ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is S. There is
She.
she.
That means she. That means this is cheers of.
Yeah,
She.
Sh sound. SHA.
Cheer và gơ.
SHA. Sure.
Sure.
It's under the sure.
Yeah. Yeah. This one, all of the letters have the straight like this. Yeah, we have to pronounce long.
Yes.
E.
I think they know whenever they know.
They know.
They know very well. They know.
Oh, you mean this?
Sometimes when make mistake,
Yeah. Sometimes we
we were in hurry.
Oh,
Actually, Mark was eaten by us.
And
Muddaja.
Sure.
Yes, Muddaja. Sure.
In Sanskrit, for this letter.
Yes. Muddaja.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, this one.
This one is the Guttara is the Anusika name.
Anunasika. And this one is
also Muddaja. No. They mean it's a Muddaja means celebrate.
Yeah, I think you know already.
They know well.
No, but just when we are reading, for me, I always make mistakes for sometimes.
Annabelle, can you one time these verses? Then we can listen. You can differentiate your diacritic mark.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you read the 2.7?
Whenever I request you to read one time, so we listen how you lengthen those kind of sound. Okay, then we read because I think sometimes we forget to lengthen the long sound, long E or short E. Yeah.
Okay. Sahokti parivrutyasi sankirna mata bhavikam iti vacha malankara darsitaha purva suribhi.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can
you want us to read? Okay. Sahokti parivrutyasi sankir namata bhavikam iti vacha alankara dashitaha Purva Suribihi.
Yeah.
Sahoktihi.
Yeah. Sahokti.
Parivriktyashihi.
Yeah.
Sankirla matha bhavikam. Iti vacha malankara tarisitaha purvasuripihi.
Okay. Sahokti parivrutti. Parivrutti. Ashihi. Sankirnam Atha Bhavikam. Iti vacham alankara darsitaha purva suribihi. Okay, this the 31 Sahokti. Sahokti means joint expression. Parivrutti, turning expression.
Turning expression.
Yeah. Ashihi,
Blessing.
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 Sankirnam,
Mixed.
mixed,
Combined.
combined. Bhavakam,
Bhavakam, expressive of emotion.
expressive of emotion. Yeah.
Bhavika.
These 35 figures of speech has been presented by earlier scholars. Dandin mentions these are 35 alankaras has been presented by earlier scholars. Here also Dandin mentions earlier scholars. Earlier scholar means previous alankarikas like Bhamaha and other alankarikas.
Money.
Yeah,
Bharatmani.
Yeah, Bharatamuni. Bharatamuni also mentioned Upama, Rupaka, Deepaka, Yamaka.
Yeah.
Four figures of speech. And after that, Bhamaha also explained nearly 35 figures of speech. And also, we can image. Actually, we cannot find some names or some works, but they are hidden and destroyed or vanished. No, but we can image. There are so many alankarikas before Dandi. That is why he mentions earlier scholars. Okay, next one is the first one is Swabhavakyanam means Swabhavokti. Okay, we can continue. Can you read the...
Yes, let's try.
Yeah.
Nanavastam. Nanavastam Padarayanam Rupam Satyad Vivlundati Swabhavogti Shatya Jati Shtyedyad Yasalam Glutira Yatha.
Nana Vastan Padarthanam Pur Rupam Sakshat Vivrunvati Swabhavoktischa Jatische Tyadyasalam Prutiryata. We can separate the words. Nana Avasthan Padarthanam Rupam Sakshat Vivrunvati Swabhavoktis Swabhavoktischa Jati che Jatischa iti Adya Salam Kruti Yata. That is the separation of words. Nana Avasthan Pada Arthanam Padarthanam Rupam Sakshat Vivrunvati Swabhavoktischa Jatischa iti Adya Salam Kruti Yata. Nana Avasthan different conditions, so various states. Nana Avasthan. Padarthanam meaning of the words or objects, things. Rupam figures, form, nature. Sakshat Vivrunvati directly explain, directly describing. Swabhavokti natural, explaining the naturally. Swabhavokti cha and jati. Jati means the class or class category. Cha and iti thus adya first salankruti yata. That ornament as follows. Yeah, he explains what is the nature of the Swabhavokti. Something that explain naturally, apparently. It is called Swabhavokti. The another word for that is jati. We call it as jati. And iti adya, it explained first. Salankruti yata, he is going to give example for that. Yata as follows. As follows means he is going to give example in the next verse. Actually, I mentioned before, Dandin categorized the 35 figures of speech like this. He explains the first one is Sobhavokti. It is this one, the first one, and others 35 he give a common name as Vakrokti, because in this category the Sobhavokti explain something naturally and straightforward description, and in the Vakrokti all of those 35 categories explains something quite indirectly. Describe something indirectly, including the poetic figures. Therefore, Dandin categorized as Sobhavokti is the first one. Other 34 are Vakrokti. Okay, now shall we conclude? Stop.
Okay.
Okay. We can continue. Rest of other figures in the next week.
Okay.
Have
Thank
you
you.
any- yeah. Have you any questions or problem? No. Okay.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
participating.
Bante.